Hello everyone, today we will be going to talk about the cabin air filter for this 2008 Nissan Versa and why it is important to change your cabin filter every year. So without further ado, let's get started. So the location of the cabin air filter is on the passenger side underneath this compartment. So there's a couple of bolts that need to be removed. I think there's one here, and then few more underneath. So we are going to remove this, and then I'm gonna show you how dirty is your cabin filter, and you have to change it every year. So now let's remove this compartment. So let's remove all the stuff in here. How do we remove this? Let me check here. One sec. I don't know how we are going to. Should we? Once. I think we're just gonna. Let's try to remove these two screw in here. So there's one screw here and then one more here. So let's just put it here so we won't lose it. Okay. And let me. I think there's. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I don't know if you could see it. There's. See that? There's one more here. Let's remove this. And then there's one more here. And another here. Let's just remove everything. So we remove all the screw at the bottom. There's like 4 in here. Let's try to remove it if we can remove it now. There's 2 more on the top right there. Let's try to remove that. I think all the screws are the same size, so it doesn't matter actually if you mix them together. Oh yeah, I think you have to remove all the screw. There you go. Wow. All right. Then there's like one. There's a connection here. What's that for? I don't know. That's fine. I think that's for the bulb. There's a small bulb inside the compartment. All right. Anyway. Okay. Let's go and check what's inside. Cabin filter, where are you? I think somewhere here. We need a flashlight. Actually, there is an instruction in here on the brand new cabin filter. Yeah, we have to remove all the bolts. See that? 4 bolts here, and then 1, 2, 3 bolts. 3 bolts in here below, and then See this? I think there's like a handle in here that we need to push it up. So there's an arrow there. So I see an arrow right there. I hope you could see it. Okay, I'll get closer. Right there. See that arrow right there? Hold on. Let's do it again. Okay, that's a good shot then. So see this arrow right here? Push it up, said. What the heck? Is that the arrow right there? Really? That's kind of weird. One sec. Or just pull it. I think we just need to pull it. Pull it. Oh, now I got it. I got it. I got it. There is a lock in here. I think. See this thing? We have to push it down and then this one push it up. We get a flat screwdriver. Okay, that's a good view. So I think this one you have to like push this and then push it up. Okay, come on man, one more. I need a flat screw. Damn. Okay, let's try it again. Come on, dudes. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh shoot. Come on, man. There you go. Okay, I got it. Come on. Okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. All right. It's off. Whew. It's off. Come on, dudes. Come on. All right. Whew. Whew. Okay, guys. Check this out. So this is the reason why you have to replace your cabin filter once a year. Look at this. You don't want to breathe this kind of air. See the brand new one? Look at the difference. This one is really super dirty. So let's put back the new one. Actually, there's an instruction here. All right. So this is not really hard to put it back, and this is not expensive one. This only cost me $17. So once a year, my friend, change your cabin filter. Oh, let's put it back. All right. So I'm gonna put my camera back in here so you could see it. That's where we put the cabin filter, and then I think we have to slowly put it on. Come on, dudes. There we go. There you go. There you go. Oh shoot! Come on. Come on. There's really tight space in here, but we could. One sec. Okay. I need a space. I have to remove my camera and my flashlight. See that? I need to remove my flashlight, so I couldn't film it anymore. I'll just put it my camera here so you could see it. Remove this. Okay. Now we had enough space, more space I should say. Okay, let's put it back. There you go. Then push it up. Then just slide it in. And then push it up and then push it down. There you go. That's it. Oh, I see click. Alright guys, I put back everything, and you know, let's start the car and then turn on the AC. Woo! AC. Okay. Wow. Now we got fresh air. Woo. All right. See, now we are breathing a fresh air. Woo. That's the importance of changing your cabin filter once a year. So there you go guys. If you have any question, any suggestion, please comment below, and please consider subscribe my channel too. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.